Welcome back. From the limitations page, there is a link that you can click on as a recording of this video that will take you to a documentation page. One of the things that you can do is you can go to this link that says examples. And even though this is designed to communicate with coders and people who are going to integrate the chatbot into a system that they are building, this page will give you clues on the kinds of things that you can ask ChatGPT to do. This list is categorized by certain elements. And in some cases, the elements are peculiar to ChatGPT, and so they won't necessarily translate into something that makes sense. However, it's a good idea to click each one of these and note the use case that is being described. For example, you'll see here that we can click movie to emoji. And then you'll see here that we can use this prompt. We can convert movie titles into an emoji. And so to test this system, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this prompt exactly as it is. And we are going to place the command inside of the dialog box. We're then going to click Shift-Enter and Shift-Enter again. And we're going to write in several additional commands so that the chatbot will know what we are looking for. Once we've written our information in, we're then going to click Enter. And ChatGPT has given us the output as we have asked for it. So basically, you can use these examples as prompts for information that you can place in ChatGPT as is given to you here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.